Hey everyone, let's simplify some exponent and indices step by step. Let's get started. Our first question, 7 to the power 3 times 7 to the power minus 3 divide 3 times 3 to the power minus 4. So as per law of indices, we know once base are same, that time in product power will be added. It means a to the power m times a to the power n. We can write here base are same, which is a, so a to the power m plus n. Okay, so similar, here is 7 and this is product and base are same, so 3 plus and here is minus 3, and similar the base are same, which is 3, and that this 3 has no power, it means 1, right? So we can write 1 plus and here is minus 4. Okay, then 7 3 plus and minus is a minus, then 3, and here is 3 1 plus and minus, it will be minus, then 4. Okay, then 7 to the power 0 and here is 3 to the power minus 3, because 1 minus 4 is a minus 3. We know another thing, a to the power 0 as per indices law, a to the power 0 means 1, so we can write this is 1. Okay, and this is 3 to the power minus 3, and also we know a to the power minus n equals to 1 by what? A to the power n. So here is 1, and this 3 to the power minus 3 we can write 1 by 3 square. Now this fraction will be flipped, so 1 times 3 square divide 1, so answer will be 9. Okay, it's a very simple. So first question answer done. Question 2, here is number 1 done. 2 is cubic root of 7 square times cubic root of 7 divide root 7. So here is several things we can do. We know nth root of a, we can write a to the power 1 by n. Therefore here is 7 square times 1 by 3 times here is 7 to the power 1 by 3, because we don't want to use this root, and 7 square we also know root a means a to the power 1 by 2. So similar, this is 7 to the power 1 by 2. Now in numerator here base are same, so we can write 7 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Why? Because we know a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So this one 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and denominator here is 7 to the power 1 by 2, it will be unchanged. Now this is 7, and here we can make LCM. So LCM is what? 3. So 2 plus 1, right? And here is 7 to the power 1 by 2. Then 7 2 plus 1 is a 3, so 3 by 3, and here is 7 to the power 1 by 2. Next, look, these 3 and this 3 out, so it will be 1. So it means 7, and here is 7 by 7 to the power 1 by 2. Now we can write like this, 7 1 minus 1 by 2. Why? Because we know once base are same, that time in division power will be subtracted. It means a to the power m divide a to the power n. It means we divide a to the power m by a to the power n. Here base are same, so power will be subtracted. It means a to the power m minus n. So similar, here is 1 minus 1 by 2. We can write here. So 7 and LCM is 2. 2 minus 1. So here is 7 to the power 1 by 2. So this one we can write root 7. Okay. So this is our answer. So number 1 and number 2 done. Question 3. Here inside bracket 2 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. It means it's a negative exponent. So these kinds of thing we have to understand. What can we do? Look, as per negative exponent, it means a to the power minus n, we can write 1 divided a to the power n. So here is negative 2, negative exponent of 2, so this one we can write 1 divided 2 to the power 1, or we can say 2. And here is also simple negative exponent, here is 1 by 5, and to the power minus 1. We will do something against this minus 1 later. So this is simple LCM. LCM is 10, so 5 plus 2 to the power minus 1. So this is 5 plus 2 is means 7, divide 10 to the power minus 1. So this one we can write 10 by 7. Due to negative exponent, the fraction will be flipped, and this is our answer. Okay. So number 1, 2 and 3 done. And today's last part, or number 4, we will try to solve now. Look, inside bracket here is 2a to the power minus 1 plus 3b to the power minus 1 and to the power minus 1. This is also a negative exponent. So this one we can write 2 by a and plus 3 by b due to negative exponent to the power minus 1. Okay. Now we can make LCM. So AB we can write here is what? This is AB. It means 2b plus 3a to the power minus 1. So we can just flip this one because negative exponent. So AB divide 3a plus 2b, and this is our answer. Okay, very simple. This format we are trying to solve today. Next video we will discuss more about exponent and indices, but no more today. Thank you very much being with me. This channel I'm trying to solve exponent, linear equation, lots of algebraic problem. So please subscribe my channel if you think this video is helping you, and please share with your friends. Thank you.